Hit a quitter, one hit a quitter, or not. Just leave me alone, guys. It's alright. I'm sitting here. As you can tell, my friends are douchebags and they walk away from me right now. Oh, they're trying to put some new shit on, you know. Well, that's how I live my life.
They should all be. I put them on top of the amp when I'm done with them. I don't move them, so that should
do. And she it's like 33 hours away from him or something.
Yeah.
And then they finally see each other and it's fucking all romantic and now they're fucking happy. So